Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to work on crossovers. Our first exercise will be forward crossovers across the ice, one slow, two quick, and then one foot glide on inside edge. And again, one slow, two quick, and inside edge. Shoulders down, head up, extend your arms, and work with your knees and ankles. Then we're going to repeat same backward, good power on crossovers, and relax your arms on 2-foot glide. And again, one slow, two quick, and 2-foot transition. Second exercise will be one crossover with double plie. So you're going to do double plie on each foot, and to push up, down, down, up, down, and then 1-foot glide, down, up, down, down, up, down, and 1-foot glide. Cover whole ice, big patterns, and then same backward with 2-foot transition, down, up, down, down, up, down, and then 2-foot glide. It's good ankles and knees work. Very good exercise for power, extension, and ice coverage. Third exercise for quickness and twist. So we're going to run. You can just hold your arms like you're running on the track and keep your feet close together. So you're going to do 2 crossovers and then switch and then do 2 crossovers the other way with 1-foot transition forward and 2-foot transition backward. Number 4 exercise is just combination of crossovers, forward and backward crossover, and mohawk. We start with forward crossover, 3-step outside mohawk, and then backward crossover, and then do same other direction. You can add arms anywhere you want. And then we're going to do backward crossover, forward crossover, and inside mohawk to change your direction. And again, 1 backward crossover, 1 forward crossover, and inside mohawk. It's very simple exercises, but they really will help you with ice coverage, power, extension, and knees bend. So, and number 5, forward crossovers with cross behind and 1-foot glide, so 1 crossover regular and 1 with cross behind. Make sure you bend your knees and ankles, and then we will start backward same, and you can do 1-foot glide between or 2-foot transition between. So 1 crossover, 1 cross behind, and then 1-foot glide on outside edge. Happy practice! See you next time!